Up next, Greenstrawberry, Star Wars plaques. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube review, or an unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. But before we get to that, I'd like to thank everybody that's coming over to Sci-Fi Antasy and Modeler's Tube. If you are a subscriber of mine on YouTube, please come over, register, and subscribe to my channel and all the other channels that are on there. More and more people are coming over. If you don't post videos, that's cool too. Register, this way you can at least comment and like and subscribe and do all that other stuff you do on YouTube. It'd be great to see you all over there, because eventually I am going to start phasing out my YouTube videos and sticking over on Modeler's Tube and posting everything pretty much over there. So we're going to be checking out Greenstrawberry stuff, and we'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry as always for sending everything over for us to check out and show you guys. And as always, like I like to tell you, go over to greenstrawberry.cz. As in the last video, he's revamped the whole website, so it's cool to look around. It's got a lot of great stuff on there. It's easier to get around and see the products and stuff like that. So we'll take a look at these plaques and let you know what's going on with those. So these are the plaques by Greenstrawberry for your Star Wars builds. I have 4 right here. We have the Y-Wing, the X-Wing, the Millennium Falcon, and the TIE Fighter. These can all be found on greenstrawberry.cz. They all come in a cellophane package with opening back here and a hard cardboard to protect it from bending. So let's open one up, this way I can show you what they look like, and we'll leave the other 3 sealed because they're all basically going to be the same thing, just with different inscriptions on them. So we're going to open up the Y-Wing plaque. It comes with the hard cardboard. It has 2 sets of PE in here, a little black paper, this way you can see it a little bit better. Let me put these down without bending them. And then we have the instruction sheet and just another piece of cardboard. So let's take a look at all the pieces. So we'll start with the instruction sheet first. As usual, it shows you what's in the kit, the icons for what's there, the directions how to fold it, and the directions how to put it onto the model kit stand itself. Now the first bit of PE that I'm going to show you is actually a base. You just cut this guy off, and the armature for the plaque wouldn't glue down over here. This way you can hold it up and you have it right there. So that's just the one piece if you want to use it as a single base to put next to your model or something like that. And I'll show you the other 2 ways that this can be used. Well, not this piece, but the other piece. I'll show you those in a second. So this is the Y-Wing plaque. It's got nice detail around the sides. This actually gets folded back to make it more of a box shape. It has the manufacturer, it says Y-Wing, and the official numbers of the starfighter itself. All the other ones are pretty much the same. It'll have writing and a little bit of information and a logo next to it. And then this is the armature that can either be glued down to that last little piece I showed you, or it can be folded up and actually put on the base that comes with the kit. Or your third option is you can just cut this off and glue it to a piece of wood or your base that you're making. This way that's just flat on there. You can paint it up, try to paint the lettering inside. So they're a nice little addition to the kits that we're building, and it's bigger. This way if somebody's passing by your display, they can see it's Y-Wing, Millennium Falcon, whatever you may have up there. It just gives that little bit of extra oomph to the build, you know, little detail. That's pretty cool to show off your stuff. So that's pretty much it. Let's get to the slideshow and show you what's going on. And as always, we'll go through a little photo slideshow. This way you can see all of the plaques up close and personal in photos, because it's a little easier to see that way than me showing to you, because sometimes the glare won't get all the effect of the product itself. Well, that's it for this video unwrapping. I was going to say unboxing, but it's an unwrapping of the plaques for the Star Wars kits. They're very cool, so if you want one, you can go over to greenstrawberry.cz and pick one up, or pick 4 up, or how many ever you want, and you can check out all the other cool products that Lucas and Green Strawberry have on the site. It's very easy to navigate the site, so check things out. You'll really, really like it. Like you've seen most of the stuff that I've posted from Green Strawberry. It's really, really good PE, quality stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video. I thank everybody for stopping by, and I hope to see more of you over here at modelerstube.com. And if you have any questions or comments, just throw it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Because like I said, on Modeler's Tube, I don't get a notification like I do with YouTube, but we'll be working on that so I get instant notifications, and everybody will get instant notifications of when somebody comments on their channel. That's pretty much it for the night, guys. Thanks again. I hope you all have a great one. Take care, and bye-bye.